In this video I show you how I do the basic setting with the developer options on the Amazon Fire TV stick. So first we need to know, the stick can only be used if you have an Amazon account. Otherwise you can't. And to make the developer options free, that allows us to install apps of unknown origin on it. So, that's all self-explanatory. Press this button. What country are they in? That's where it does almost 15 to 20 minutes of updates. I'm doing this in fast forward. Yes, I already have an account. That was too early. So first of all, set up Wi-Fi. I have here made the simulation. It's actually not my password. With video cutting you can make something like this possible. So first enter WLAN password. So has connected successfully. Now we enter the Amazon account and then there are several ways to connect to your Amazon account. The left side is more pleasant to me, because we displayed in the code. Then you go to any browser and enter the Amazon/code and type exactly this code. What one sees there on the picture. Not my code. Type in your code, just type it in, go ahead. The stick will connect to your Amazon account in 0. The Amazon Fire TV is now connected. Yeah, now I'm just going to make my name unrecognizable so I don't have a bunch of fan letters or love letters here tomorrow. And then we'll move on. That's how we want to stay on this account. Yes, we do. Oh, we've got a couple of years of TV, but I'll skip that. If you've already got one, you can restore. Some things take time. Now it connects to your TV, so you can use the remote from the stick to control your TV. Then you don't need the remote control of the TV at all. Switch on and off via the stick, loud and quiet via the stick. What more do you need? Unless you constantly need HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, so that you can switch. So, after the TV found, it goes on. No thanks. Again. No thanks, because I'm of the opinion, nobody gives you anything. So no parental controls. And then welcome to IKEA TV and then you can just read through that. And then we're almost done with the first setting, basic setting. You can add a profile like this if you're several in the family. Who is online right now? Who is watching right now? So everyone has their own profile picture. So, this is now the 4K max. If you go into the settings on those, you won't find the developer options. We will with a little trick if we outsmart that. That's where we have to go on my 4TV, so first on the gear and then my Fire TV. And here you can't find that. Then we just have to go to in info. Then on Celebration TV stick constantly. OK, button OK, button OK. Press the key repeatedly until you see that you are a developer. Then it also says developer on the front. Then you can install apps of unknown origin on it again. You couldn't do that before. So much for that. If that helped you, if you liked it, liked me or subscribe me or press the bell. You can also write something nice below. And if I have any mistakes, I'm sure I still have many mistakes. Since I'm new to YouTube, just tell me so I can do better soon. So, now we are done. Thank you for now, have fun with your Amazon Fire TV.